सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दीजिए ताकि हमारे वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले मिलते रहे।
Hey friends, welcome to the 99 number video. I am Shrikant and you are watching CNC Learning and Engineering Tech. So today we are going to discuss about the understanding of machine axis. So as you can see on the screen, we can say that this is the vertical spindle, so it will be a VMC machine, and if it is a horizontal spindle, then it will be a horizontal machining center. Okay, so here you can see in VMC there are three main axes. You can see this X is this is a operator will be this side, and X plus will be this side, and X minus will be this side. Looks like this. Okay, X plus, X minus. Then along the operator there will be a Y axis, so Y plus will be opposite to operator side, and near to operator side there will be a Y minus. Z plus is upside and Z minus is downside. Same scenario you can apply for the HMC also. Okay, but here spindle will change. Okay, and you can just consider the Y will be Z here, and X will remain same, and Z will be along spindle. That's it for today's. We will talk about other things later. Thank you very much.